Hello, good evening guys. If you want to know if there is discrepancy in the counting or the election results during the canvassing, all you have to do is to compare the election results from the ER. It's been collected, that is printed and signed by the precinct chairman. Compare it with the results that is transmitted, or the EER, electronic election results, in the canvassing area during the canvassing of the COMELEC. Okay? In that way, you would be able to identify which precinct, class of precinct that you need to file a protest, either for or request a manual audit because of that discrepancy. For more videos, please follow and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, God, and God bless.